Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your emails on Outlook look bigger. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser, go to the official website, and log into your account. Once you're inside, here, this is going to be your interface. Now focus your attention over here on the left side, right? I want you to click on your email. Any email will do, all right? It won't matter. So over here, once you click your email, you will be able to select the option View over here. Left click on it, then it will reveal more options. If you're going to notice, you will have an option over here, Zoom, click on it. Then it will let you configure your settings if you would like to zoom in and zoom out of your email. And then you can reset if you're having some trouble over this section. And go ahead, you can now apply this to any email if you feel like it's very small or it's too big for your eyes. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.